Recording this sewer line here for Tim Garcia over here at 2419 10th Ave West. I'm recording this from the clean out in the front yard. I'm about 145 feet down the pipe right now, and sitting at the main line connection. So we're sitting at the main line connection. There's the city main flowing by beneath us and coming back into 6-inch line that's shared with these neighbors. So we're in clay 6-inch line here, coming back. A couple of these houses are running water right now, so see some water coming through on the screen. That's flowing from these houses. So 6-inch clay for the first stretch here. There is a fibrous chunk there. And coming back into plastic. So the plastic, about 22 feet or so of old clay, and then back into old plastic pipe. Not old, but at some point installed plastic. This is way downstream of where I'm at here, so down between those other houses. Coming back, there is a tie-in to the pipe there. This could be where the neighboring house ties in, or we go from 4 to 6-inch pipe. Looks like we're in 4-inch plastic now. We could be in 6 still. See some waste coming into the line there. Back into concrete line, so there's a stretch of concrete here at about 54 feet. That's where you got your root coming through. So we were able to cut some of that root out when we did our cleaning the other day, but decent sized root in the pipe there at about 50-some feet. 50-some feet coming backwards now from 150 feet, so, or 145 feet, so bear that in mind. So about, what do we call that, 15, 16 feet of concrete pipe, and then back into clay for a short stretch there, and then back into concrete again. So we're back in old concrete, and then there's the end of our Bob Oates installed liner. So that could be the 4-inch to 6-inch connection is what that looks like to me. This looks like it's where it's going to 6-inch pipe. So coming back now through the Bob Oates installed liner we installed a few years back. Now back into pipe that we installed here. Through an excavation, so there's an excavation, installed pipe, more liner. Back into the pipe again, so liner to pipe transition there. So this is part of the trench that we dug. And we're getting back close here to coming up the clean out. So there's the second branch of that upstream clean out. Water running through there. Now we're coming up the clean out that we are making this recording from. So there's a clean out in the yard I'm recording from. I'm going to end the video there.